So we are using the checklist app, Didit, on a voluntary basis. So we are not forcing anyone to use it. And still...
Oh, that's astonishing.
Yeah. And still we have a lot of hotels using it. Not only hotels, also in the headquarters. They're using it very frequently, actually. And we have more than 650,000 tasks already done. And just as a side information, we were also using it for our team event in the headquarters, and we were doing a rally. So everyone was just using the Didit Checklists app and going through the headquarters and doing this rally with the task management.
Cool, yeah. Can you tell us a little bit more about what are those people checking actually? So what's the task that gets checked? What are you using that for in the hotel?
We're using it in so many occasions. So we're using it on basic tasks, like, for example, how to clean the breakfast room, how to clean the coffee machine, which steps you have to do first, second, and third, or if the public areas are cleaned, and also the communication between the hotels and the headquarters. That, for example, the maintenance team or the construction team, they are just providing a template and the checklist for the hotels, and the hotels, they have to fill it out. And in most of the cases, we also have the mandatory signature. So again, it's a manual work. So you have to click on each task and put the signature. So it's also sure that the tasks were done and also by which person. The most amazing thing is that you can create a QR code out of the checklist. So you can just scan the QR code and you directly have the checklist on your phone. And
even without a login, right?
Yeah.
You just need an internet connection and a smartphone. You don't even have to install the app. If you have the app, it's...
Exactly.
You were coming from paper earlier, right?
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about the transition. You have created some internal numbers on that.
Yes, we did. We were saving in just 1.5 years of using the Didit checklist app. We were saving 90,000 pieces of paper, and that's a number.
Yeah.
We were saving around about 22,000 liters of water just in the year 2023. So just in 1 year, we were saving 1 kilogram of wood.
Okay.
And I think that's a number.
Yeah, awesome. Very cool numbers.